using Discover as a powerful marketing tool. Hey there, everyone! Now that you learned how to create engaging TikTok videos for your brand, it is time for you to start learning how to use the platform for marketing. And all good marketing starts with research. Knowing who is in your target audience and knowing the latest trends in your niche are vital. That is why in this lesson, we will be teaching you how to use TikTok's Discover feature, a powerful marketing research tool that comes built in with the app, and that lets you find the best content for your next big marketing campaign. Getting started. Using this Discover feature is easy enough, and you can access it from anywhere on the app simply by tapping on the Discover shortcut icon located in the bottom of the screen. This shortcut will take you to the Discover screen, where you'll be able to find featured trends, viral hashtags, and much more. Using Discover. So how do you exactly use this Discover feature? Well, it's easy enough. Let's take a look. The easiest way to find content on the screen is by checking the featured trends on top. By tapping on a featured trend on this banner, you will find all videos using the featured hashtag. You can leverage the information you find here to expand your reach by adding these featured hashtags, but only as long as it makes sense for your brand. Let's now go back to the Discover screen to look at the content posted under the Featured Trends banner. Here you'll find the hashtags that are trending at any given moment. Now, one thing you'll notice is that these hashtags are getting millions of views, which means that they've gone viral. The good news is that you can use these trending hashtags to increase your brand's exposure like crazy, and we'll show you how. First, scroll down through this screen to browse all trending hashtags. You'll do this to find a hashtag that you can use to produce content for your brand. It is important that the hashtag that you select makes sense to your audience. Once you find a hashtag, check the number of views it is getting. The larger the number of views, the larger the audience you will reach. This also means that the hashtag is very engaging. Okay, now tap on the hashtag to go to the hashtag screen. Here you will find the hashtag's thumbnail, the number of views it is getting, and a description of the hashtag. In this description, you will find what the hashtag is all about and how to use it. For example, if the hashtag is about performing a challenge, you will find out how to participate in this description. Now, the most important part is to actually watch some of the videos on top to see what type of content using that hashtag is performing the best. What you'll do then is to take notes about the most engaging elements in these videos so you can reverse engineer them for your branded videos. Elements we recommend you to watch out for include lettering, sounds, and effects. The Discover feature also allows you to make personalized searches. Let's go back to the Discover screen now to show you how. To do personalized searches, you have to use the search bar on top. Here you'll simply have to enter a keyword into the search bar and then tap on Search. After you do, you'll see all content related to your search. You can filter your results too for a more effective search. For example, under the top tab you'll find the top performing content related to your keyword or search term. Under the Users tab, you'll find users that have included your keyword into their profiles. Here we recommend that you check the profile of top users and to follow them so they can follow you back. You can then engage with them so they interact back with you, which will help you to increase the relevance of your account. Under the Videos tab, you'll find only top-performing videos related to your search. Under Sounds, you'll find which sounds match your keyword. And under Hashtags, you'll find which hashtags include your keyword. Here we recommend that you save related hashtags with over 1 million views. And that is it, my friends. This is how you can use Discover. And as you can see, this feature is a powerful marketing tool that will help you to stay on top of your marketing game.